Hey there everyone, welcome. So we're going to be doing this really quick, really simple look today. We're just going to be putting makeup on our face. So let's just get right on into it, and now. Okay, starting off, we're going to be using two primers, the NYX Hyratouch and Angel Veil. And we're taking the Angel Veil primer first, and we're going to be putting that on our T-zone to try and minimize those pores just a little bit. With the Hyratouch primer for the rest of the face. Now, if you've seen any of my live streams, you'll know what's next. We're going to be going in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk and using that as our primer. So moving on to the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette. This is the only palette we're going to use, and we're going to be going in with this shade that is as white as my skin. Actually, it looks about as white on camera, but it's actually darker than me. And we're going to put that all over the lid. Light taupey brown kind of shade, and we're going to be putting that on the crease and under our eye bags, because obviously the best way to look the most kawaii is to look like you're dead and tired and actually not conceal your under eye bags because you haven't slept in literally forever. Then we're going to take this darker brown shade, because obviously we can't have it be all cute and pastel and wonderful. We have to have a little bit of our inner darkness shine through, so we're going to add that to the crease as well. Then finally, to complete the eyeshadow, we're gonna add this glittery, shimmery, soft, pinky, I guess, peachy kind of color, I don't know. And we're gonna add that onto the lid, because who doesn't like glitter to cover all of the sadness and deep hidden pain? I mean, because it's kawaii. Okay, now that we are done with the eyes, we're gonna move on to mascara, because my lashes, I don't know about yours, might be long, but they are pale as, well, the wall behind me. So, we're gonna make them actually exist. Marvelous. Now we're gonna move on to foundation. One that's as pale as that wall behind me because I am really that white. So we're gonna shake this baby up, shake it, shake it, shake it, and hope that it is actually good. Surprise plot twist, it actually isn't. I'm having to try and get this pump to work, and guess what? The foundation is out. And no matter how hard I'm gonna try here, yes, look at that sad pouty face. Nope, can't get a drop of foundation because I'm dumb and I should have realized I ran out of foundation, ran out of foundation a long time ago. So here I am. Clearly you can see I am not dressed at all. I am wearing some old raggedy pajamas and I'm trying to find another foundation. Oh look, we found another foundation. This one actually works better because it's lighter and actually, well, not just lighter in the complexion color because once again, white as that wall. It's also a lighter coverage, so it'll give you more of a natural kawaii glow. And I'm gonna take that brush, I'm gonna fuss with my mirror, and I'm gonna try and drop the foundation, and surprise! This foundation is also out, but need not worry, I actually managed to somehow magically squeeze out the last breath of life that this actual thing had, because I guess I have luck that way. Otherwise, I would have been stuck caking on my horrid powder foundation that I only take out when I absolutely have to wear foundation. Not that I ever have to, but really when my face is looking that monstrous, and I have no other option because the Florida sun beats down on my face like some blazing hell inferno fireball of death and doesn't want to let me live. But yeah, we're gonna just slather the last bit of this war paint, foundation, that we can squeeze out of this damn bottle. Yes, I know you're sad, honey, but we're gonna try and blend until our troubles go away, because that's the kawaii way, right? Okay, now we're gonna go into the blush because that's totally necessary in a super kawaii look. I'm totally not being sarcastic here. Anyway, we're taking this Too Faced blush, putting it on our cheeks. I don't know what the freaking color was because I didn't bother reading it and I'm too lazy to go reach for it. Anyway, we're gonna take this fluffy brush. Can you tell I'm starting to have weird fun with this being horribly dark and sarcastic? Anyway, we're gonna put enough blush on here to make Bozo the Clown look absolutely pathetic. And we're gonna slather that all over our face because nothing says absolutely kawaii prince or princess, or whatever royalty you want to consider yourself as. Anyway, like slathering so much blush on your face you look like you have a horrible fever or you're really drunk. Probably the latter in my case. That reminds me of the time I got so drunk off of vodka that I started craving waffles while playing D&D, forced my husband to take me to Walmart, and when we came home and I was finally sobering up, I decided to take about 15 to 30 minutes climbing out of the window, opening the door, entering the car, locking the door, and climbing out of the window again. But, such is life. Anyway, we're gonna move on. Okay, time to powder up our face because this blush looks a little ridiculous, and believe me, on camera it's still gonna look just as bad, but not to worry, I promise you, this is the latest and greatest trend in kawaii fashion and makeup, so trust me on this. We're gonna take an equally fluffy brush and equally as much amount of powder as we did with the blush, and we're just gonna slather that all over our face because apparently I didn't think I could get my foundation any whiter than white can be until I put this translucent powder, which, mind you, translucent means it has no color. But apparently it likes to make my foundation even whiter on camera. I guess because it has a white cast, because it's an HD powder and I'm supposed to use it, but who cares? We're just gonna slather it all over our face and try and hide away the shame of realizing that we put in maybe too much blush, maybe not enough, who knows? I don't. Yes, and now we get to add glitter onto our face because what can make this look any more ridiculous? I mean, better looking. So yeah, this is a NYX highlighter, and we're just gonna take it with our finger and put it on our cheekbone, and whoa there, my dude, that's a lot. Oh, but it's okay. The more glitter, the better. It just means that we're gonna sparkle bright like the beautiful prince that we are. So we're gonna put more and more on this, and it's making my face look whiter because, of course, that's my goal. Obviously, I'm not pale enough. I don't get confused for a ghost nearly enough. We're gonna put that all over. We're gonna put that on our nose, on the tip of our nose, on our cupid's bow. Whatever. It shines. It's pretty. We're good. Oh, and we're gonna blend that out with a brush, the same one that we used for the powder, I'm assuming, because I guess I had some common sense enough to think that maybe this just needed to be diffused just a little bit. Oh boy, here we go. We're going on to lipstick next. And we're gonna shake this up and put this lipstick that honestly looks like the blood of my enemies. I mean cherry juice. That's what it's supposed to be, cherry juice. By the way, I haven't really been saying too much of the name of the products, but they'll be down in the description box below, don't you worry. So now we're gonna take this lipstick, or actually it's a lip stain really, and we're gonna put that on our lips just a slight bit because we don't wanna do too much, even though I'm gonna consistently forget that this isn't actually meant to look like the way we Americans usually put on our makeup, which is slathered in layers and layers and layers. Don't worry, I'm not offending anyone or trying to. Not that there's anything wrong with it. Trust me, when I go goth, I go full on. But we're trying to look soft and pretty and kawaii, something I can't do in my regular life as a horrible potato person. But we're gonna try anyway. So we're just gonna blend that with our finger and dab more on and blend it with our finger and dab more on until we think we've covered our lips in a satisfactory way. We probably achieved this the first time, but we're gonna keep trying a few times anyway until we're actually satisfied. Now finally we're going to take our setting spray and spray that all over our face to make this makeup last, because we're totally not just going to take this off in 2.2 seconds. Yes, blow that and choke on it, of course. Alright guys, we're back. This hair will not do. We have to be super ultimate kawaii, so we're gonna tie this hair back now that we have our cute little outfit on. We're gonna use the wig cap. We're gonna tame back what little hair we have on our head because obviously we still have to cover it. Secure that wig cap. Grab ourselves, oh look at that beautiful wig that's in that bag. We're gonna take this bag out, or the wig out of the bag, excuse me, I'm an idiot. Throw the bag aside, now fuss with the little net the wig is in, because apparently I can't be bothered to keep things properly, or do things properly for that matter. Shake that wig up, brush it out a little bit, and we're gonna take it, and we're gonna put that thing on our head and struggle with it for several minutes here while we fuss with every little strand of hair because it won't want to get into place. But look at that already, we're looking our super kawaii best. Now now, of course, grab ourselves our little hat and fuss with it some more to put it on to finish off our cute little outfit, because we're gonna go out and be super kawaii on the town, or really just take all of this off and go take a shower and just go to bed because it's 3 or 4 in the morning and I'm dying. But look at that, let's fiddle with our hair some more and finish off. Look at that, isn't that cute? And there we have it. Look at that. Look how pretty, kawaii, absolutely adorable, soft and gentle we look, all to mask the hidden inner darkness deep within. But on the outside we look super cute. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all. If you like this video a lot, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel and click that bell notification so you can get notifications when we upload. I will have all the information in the description box below. Leave me a comment if you like this video or have any suggestions, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!